Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the fingerprint not showing in your settings error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to check if the fingerprint sensor works well. And to do this, just first open your settings app, and then after that, tap the about phone right here and tap on the kernel version 5 to 6 times, and then it will enter your device to the engineering mode or the CIT. So using the QC test menu, just go to the finger sensor test option. So sensor test or FPC will begin, and now just choose fail to reset the sensor. So after that, just close the CIT mode and check if your fingerprint sensor starts working. And then if the problem still persists, what you can do next is the tricks to fix fingerprint disappeared from settings. So these are some fix or tricks that you can do if you are having this issue. So the first one, what you can do is to reboot your phone. So rebooting your phone helps to get rid of minor Android issues like faulty fingerprint sensors, unstable Wi-Fi networks, or frozen apps. So the best option or solution is to reboot your device to check if your fingerprint sensor is working. And then what you can do next here is to update the software. So ignoring the software update is what's affecting your fingerprint sensor badly. Software bugs found in each operating system affect your device's hardware. So make sure that to update your Android to the latest version, and if you are not receiving any notification regarding software, perform it manually by following these steps right here. So first you can do is to connect your phone to Wi-Fi and go to the settings, and after that scroll down to the menu and choose about phone option. And now tap the system update and select download and install, and let your device check for required updates. So your device shows up with download update option to or for the available software update, and tap on to allow your device to download the update. And then next, what you can do is to clear cache file of fingerprint app. So switching or to clearing cache file of the fingerprint app will help you to get back the fingerprint option missing from your iPhone. So these are the steps that you need to do if you want to clear cache file of your fingerprint app. So head to the phone settings app and then go to the app and simply select manage apps. So choose the fingerprint extension service and select clear data. So get back to the manage apps page and select fingerprint test this time, and also tap onto the clear data and reboot your device and check if the fingerprint option is shown. And then lastly, what you can do is to uninstall third-party app in safe mode. So switching your device to safe mode will automatically disable third-party apps that create problems like screen lock apps or apps that are locked by fingerprint sensor, RAM cleaners, and then RAM boosters. So to run your device in safe mode, just follow the steps right here. So turn off first your phone and then switch it back on, and check if any software update is available for your phone. So check the app updates by opening the Google Play Store app, tap on the three bars icon, and choosing My Apps and Games. So now just use safe mode to check the faulty apps that cause problems and uninstall them. And then lastly, what you can do is to reset the phone. So that's it for this video. Those are some fixes that you need to do if your fingerprint settings option disappeared on your phone. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.